Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss two problems related to if-else statement. The first problem is program to compare two numbers that which is greater, and the next program sees compare three numbers that which is greater and which is smallest. So first I will include the header file stdio.h. Next I will write the main function. So why I am writing int here? Because the return type of main is integer, because after every program will write return 0. That means the program is returning 0. That means an integer. That's why integer I am writing here. We will discuss this concept in when we study functions. So after it I have to compare between two numbers. That means I have to first create two numbers or create two variables a and b, let's say, and I will instruct to my user to enter two numbers, enter two numbers. So by scanf I will take two numbers. I can take two numbers in a single scanf or in two different scanf also, but I will take two numbers in a same scanf. Address of a comma address of b. So by this I have taken two numbers from my user, and now what I have to check, that if number 1 is greater than number 2, then number a is greater, and if number a is less than number b, then number b is greater. So how to represent this using if else, that I will write just a single condition, that if a is greater than b, then what should be the output? Printf %d is greater than %d. So we all know this construct, that %d will be replaced by a variable a, and the next %d will be replaced by a variable provided here. So whenever this condition will be checked, and if it is true, that means a is greater. So I will write %d is greater than %d. That means a is greater than b. So this is how this construct will work. Otherwise, if this condition is not true, then it is very clear that b will be greater than a. So I will write printf %d is greater than %d. In this construct I will provide b first and then a. Why? Because in this case b is greater than a. So first this %d will be replaced by b, and the construct will be b is greater than a. So this is how the program will work. In this program also we have only changed the condition, otherwise all the code snippet is similar. If you have watched my previous video on problems on if else, then you get to know that we are only changing the condition, and by this only we are getting our answers. So if we run this program, I will write two numbers as 6 and 9. So we are getting 9 is greater than 7. And let us write to another number. Let's say I'm writing here -7 and minus 5. Minus 5. So what we are getting? -5 is greater than -7. So this is how the program of comparing two number will be created. The next task is to compare three numbers. So some of the code will be same. Let us introduce a one more variable c here, and instruct to user, instruct to enter three number, and here also let us add one more format specified to take another variable, and here also address of c. So this code will be same here. So now what I'm trying to check is that if I have three numbers, so how can I check that which is greater number or which is smallest number? So what I will do, I will first compare A and B, and when I compare A and B, and if A is greater than B, and after checking this I come into, let's say I'm writing the code, and after writing the code I will discuss that if A is greater than B, and in that also I will check another time at if A is greater than C. That means first I have checked between two numbers, and if this condition is true, then I will enter in this block, and after entering this block I will check another time that if my A is greater than C, that means definitely I can say that percent D is greatest. And what will be that percent D? Definitely A. Why? Because A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Then definitely A is greatest. Otherwise, in the same if block, I will write else. If A is greater than B, that means B is smaller than A. And when I check this condition that A is greater than C, and if this is false, that means C is greater than B. Understand? If this condition is false, that means C is greater than A. So definitely C will be greatest in this case because B is less than A. And if C is and A is less than C, that means definitely C will be the greatest number. So printf percent %d is greatest. In this program I will only get the greatest number in all of them. That if A is greater than B, if condition is true, I will enter in this block of if, and if A is greater than C, then definitely A will be the greatest. Otherwise C is greatest. So this is how first condition will be checked. Now what we are going to check in else part, else will be checked if A is less than B. That means in this case B is greater than A. I will check if B is greater than C also, because if this condition is false, that means B is greater than A. And I will check if B is greater than C also. That means definitely B is greatest. That means percent D is greatest. That means B is greatest. Otherwise in else what will happen, that now we know that if else is running, that means B is greater than A, and if this is false, that means C is greater than B. So definitely we can say that percent D is greatest. The percent D will be replaced by C because C will be the greatest if this is false. So this is how we compare between three numbers and get to know that which is greatest. Let us run this code. If I am providing three numbers as 3, 4 and 5. 5 is greatest I am getting. Let us provide three other number, say -9, -7 and -11. So -7 is greatest. So this thing should be clear to you that how we are comparing between three numbers. First we check between two numbers, and if we get the number 1 is greater, we check for the third number, that if first number is greater than third number, then definitely that number will be greatest. otherwise the third number will be greatest. In next condition we'll check between first two number that the second number is greater than the first number. Then we'll check with the third number, and if that number is less than the second number, that means the second number will be the greatest, otherwise the third number. So this is how comparison between three numbers is done and comparison between two numbers is done. Thank you for watching.